So let's discuss the minerals lost in 1 hour of exercise through sweat. The first one and the one that is lost the most is sodium. Most people are going to lose somewhere between 800 and 1200 milligrams of sodium per hour of exercise. So this right here is a half of a teaspoon of salt at the higher end of that range. The next mineral that is lost in the greatest quantity is potassium at 140 to 200 milligrams. After that is calcium at 40 milligrams. Then magnesium at 3 to 10 milligrams. Iron at 0.16 to 0.63 milligrams. Copper, we lose about 0.4 milligrams, but this can honestly be as high as 1.2 depending on how hot it is. And most people aren't getting enough copper. Most people only get about 0.8 milligrams of copper. So you're losing, at least 50% of what most people get within just 1 hour of exercise through sweat, or let's say in the sauna. And actually sauna, you would lose this probably more closer to 0.8 milligrams within an hour of sauna. Maybe even more, up to, I would say 1.2. Zinc on average, we're gonna lose about 0.4 milligrams per hour of exercise through sweat. Iodine, 52 micrograms, but this can actually be twice that. Selenium, about 40 micrograms per hour of exercise, and then chromium, about 7.5 micrograms. Now that might not seem like a lot, but the bioavailability of chromium in the diet is only 1%. So in order to absorb 7.5 micrograms that was lost, you would need to consume 600 to 700 micrograms of chromium because it's such poor bioavailability. And for copper only has about a 30% bioavailability from the diet. So if you lose 0.4, you essentially need to ingest 1.2 milligrams to actually replace it back. So same thing with magnesium and calcium. These only have like a 30-40% bioavailability. So you might only lose 40 milligrams, but since calcium only has a 30 to 40% bioavailability, you can need 120 milligrams more in the diet to actually absorb 40 milligrams back into the body. Whereas sodium and potassium have about 90 to 99% bioavailability. So if you lose 1200 and you ingest 1200, you get that all back.